Well, preparations are in place for the Modi government 3.0, and sources say that the oath-taking ceremony is expected to be on the 9th of June. While the BJP has fallen short of the majority mark with its allies, it is comfortably beyond the halfway mark. In the latest, smaller parties and independents have also joined the NDA, taking the total tally to 303. Now, hectic parleys and meetings are currently underway in Delhi, while the BJP top leaders are meeting at JP Nadda's residence to decide on what next. The TDP leaders are also in the national capital. Sources say that the NDA will put up a big show of strength tomorrow, with all the NDA chief ministers, deputy chief ministers and MPs going to be in the national capital to show their unity. But with the allies playing such an important role this time, let's tell you how it's all going to play out. Remember, the allies TDP, JDU, Shiv Sena and the LJP together have 40 MPs. Sources say the allies are demanding one ministry each for every 4 MPs. This would mean that the TDP with 16 MPs wants 4 ministries, the JDU with 12 seats is demanding 3 ministries, while Shiv Sena with 7 seats and Chirag Paswan with 5 seats are also expecting 2 ministries each. While the JDU is keen on the Ministry of Railways and the TDP wants a post of the Speaker, sources say that in the changed circumstances, the BJP will have to bow down to some of the demands, but the big 4 ministries will remain with the BJP. Defence, Finance, Home as well as the Ministry of External Affairs will be retained by the BJP. In fact, the BJP is also keen on the ministries of Infrastructure, Agriculture to be with the party. But sources say that allies can be given the post of Minister of State in important ministries like the Finance as well as the Defence ministries.
पूरे चुनाव में नीतीश कुमार जी इस स्लोगन के साथ चुनाव लड़े कि अब हम एनडीए के ही हिस्सा बनकर रहेंगे, लिहाजा इसको हम सिरे से खारिज करते हैं। जनता दल यू एनडीए का हिस्सा है और रहेगा। बिहार में जो गरीबी है, पलायन है विभाजन के बाद का, उसके लिए जरूरी है कि बिहार को विशेष राज्य का दर्जा दिया जाए। मंत्री परिषद में हिस्सेदारी को लेकर के हमने ना कोई मांग पहले उठाई है ना अब उठाते हैं। हाँ, अटल अडवाणी एरा में जरूर हम बहुत कंफर्टेबल थे। नीतीश कुमार जी प्रधानमंत्री से वार्ता करके एक सुविधाजनक स्थिति जेडीयू के लिए तलाश करेंगे, लेकिन ना कोई कन्फ्रंटेशन है, ना कोई जिद है, ना कोई मांग है।
सर, कल मीटिंग है सांसदों की और पूर्व मुख्यमंत्रियों की, क्रूशियल मीटिंग है कल परसों शपथ लेने से पहले, कैसे देख रहे हैं?
नहीं, ये तो औपचारिक बैठकें होती ही हैं और इसलिए उसको देखने की क्या ज़रूरत है। जो बैठक में भाग लेंगे वो लोग विचार विमर्श करेंगे और उसमें एनडीए के नेता का सर्वानुमति से नाम तय हो जाएगा।
But with the NDA now crossing 303, the opposition India bloc continues to say the turmoil will continue for the BJP with allies.
This is an unhappy alliance. Chandra Babu ji I have known for ages. He was a good friend of my father-in-law. They were both finance ministers for a number of years. And even at that time, I would see him as a brilliant man. He can see ahead. He plans ahead. He's a strategist. I don't believe that with Chandra Babu and Nitish ji, Modi ji will have easy task. He will have to take their not only views but suggestions into account, because this government now will not be as free as it used to be when Modi ji and Amit Shah were ruling the roost.
Let's go across to my colleague Mohit Bhatt for an understanding of what's happening in the NDA camp. Mohit, the BJP does not have enough numbers by itself, which means it will have to give in to some of the demands that are coming in from the allies. We're told that the allies are demanding one ministry for 4 seats or 4 MPs that they have. What does this mean? Give us the inside scoop on what the BJP is willing to part with and which are the ministries that the party has decided to retain with itself.
Pratibha, I'll show you the scenes around here first. Now, this is the residence of BJP President JP Nadda. Now, since morning, we have seen host of the senior leaders of the BJP, including Rajnath Singh, Home Minister Amit Shah, BL Santosh, and various other senior leaders of the BJP who came over here, held a meeting. Many of them have left, but Amit Shah is still inside the residence of JP Nadda. BL Santosh, the organizational secretary of the BJP, is still inside. Now, this particular meeting holds huge significance, given the fact in this meeting it has been deliberated upon that how exactly BJP will deal with the allies when it comes to the sheet, when it comes to the portfolio sharing, what exactly would be the formula. And also, there will be specific people designated to speak with specific parties regarding future course of action, and also about the seating arrangement of the NDA partners for tomorrow and also in the parliament. So this particular meeting is also very important. The coordination between the BJP and the alliance partner is being discussed in this particular meeting. Most of the leaders have left, but yes, Amit Shah and JP Nadda and BL Santosh also are in this particular meeting. Now, the sources have also told Times Now, and we broke that first in the morning, that BJP is unwilling to let go of the top 5 to 6 ministries. The ministries at North Block and South Block, that is External Affairs, Finance, Home, Defense. BJP is not willing to give this to the allies, and also the IT Ministry, Railway Ministry, Law Ministry. BJP wants to keep them. Now, given the fact that how TDP and JDU have 28 seats combined, they have a huge bargaining power. The BJP has also devised a formula. What the sources say is that if you have 4 seats, you will get 1 cabinet berth. 2 seats, then you will get 1 MOS berth. So that means that 3 to 4 cabinet portfolios or MOS portfolios can go to TDP, and similarly with Nitish Kumar, 2 cabinet posts and 1 MOS post could be given. So that all will be deliberated upon later, but in this meeting, this all was being discussed, the formula was being made. But what the sources also say that the HDK's party, that is the JDS, they are pushing for agriculture ministry. JDU is pushing for special status for Bihar. TDP is also pushing for special status for Andhra Pradesh, and also more and more funds for the state. Now, what exactly BJP will give to these allies, that remains to be seen. That deliberation surely will take place at a later stage. But today, the top BJP leaders from various states, Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, are coming to Delhi. They will also hold meeting with the top brass, and tomorrow is the all-important NDA meet. In that particular NDA meet, which will all set to take place at the Parliament, Narendra Modi will be chosen as the leader of the NDA, and the support letter which is being given to Prime Minister Narendra Modi by the NDA allies, that will be taken to the president, and then BJP-led NDA will stake claim to form the government. So a whole lot of happening over here in Delhi. While we speak, Amit Shah, Nadda and BL Santosh are still having a meeting. Everything is being deliberated upon. But yes, the sources also say that the top ministries, which are very close to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's working model in past 10 years, will not be given away. Like, for example, in other ministries, BJP is ready to deliberate. They can give, suppose the MOS Finance, MOS MEA, they can give it to the allies, but the cabinet berth will be with the BJP.
Absolutely.
Back to you.
So, Mohit, you mentioned that there are the big 4 portfolios, of course, which the BJP wants to keep with itself. But the opposition leaders have already been making a lot of offers to some of the allies of the NDA, and that's where it comes in. We're told sources saying that the BJP is also giving in to a lot of demands that have come from the allies of the party. And there are some of the ministries that the allies are also keen on. Like we're told, the JDU is keen on the Railways Ministry. This is a ministry that the BJP is also very keen on because of the work that has gone into that, wanting that continuation of the same to go on as well. So what's going to happen next? That, of course, remains the big question, and that will be decided in the meetings that are taking